In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix some of the mistakes you might have made on social media, like creating a super cheesy username in Instagram. Go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Once in the Instagram app, tap on the bottom right profile icon. Once you're in your profile, all you have to do is hit Edit Profile. And in here, you want to tap on where it says Username. Now go ahead and type in a brand new username, and whenever you have finished that, all you have to do is tap on the blue tick in the top right hand corner, and that's how easy it is to do. Thanks for watching.